Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Volvo 240 drift camper and I bought this for MRP, which is 499. So I did see all these castings there, but I only picked two. So as I showed you, this one and the next one is the Optimus Prime one. So let's unbox this one today and let's see how this one looks in the hand. So I personally like majorette castings when it comes to the trailer and this kind of track fleet kind of set. So they actually do full metal castings instead of being plastic all the time. So I really want to see what Mattel did with this particular one. Okay, let's pull it out. Okay, I'll just put this aside. Okay, so here is the casting itself. So let me see if I'm able to remove this. I think we can. But I'm not sure whether we can actually remove it. But anyways, okay, so let's talk about the trailer first. As you can see here, so this entire thing is actually plastic. So I can say some people are complaining about this thing being plastic. I thought the entire casting, but the trailer here, this is fully plastic. It does look really nice, well detailed, and it is really nice. So only this part here, you can see this is metal. Yeah, this is a very thin piece of metal. The rims looks really nice. I personally like this set of rims. Let me just, okay, this rims looks really nice. And okay, these are actually not windows, these are just painted black. And so that's metal for you. And for 500 rupees, honestly Majorette did a very better job. Okay, so when it comes to the casting itself, this looks really nice. So as usual, you can see the paint bubblings and everything on top. So it has acrylics for headlights, and it has the cross marks, which looks really nice. And you can see the engine detailing here as well. That is really cool. The exhaust detail is also really nice. So here the body is fully metal and the chassis is plastic. So it does have rear view mirrors which are nice. And the interior is, I think it is chromed out. Yeah, it is chromed out, and the windows are actually tinted in kind of piss yellow. I'm not sure why they went with that color, given that they did a lot of awesome colors with the mainline ones. They could have went with something else, like a red or even a purple one, or even at least without any tint. So they chose this. Okay, so the hood details are really nice actually. So it does have some paint issues here, you can see here. Okay, I really want to do a roll test with this, especially in the track. Let's do it with this itself. Let's see how it goes. So actually, one of my group member told me that to keep this track a bit inclined so that it will be like automatically it will roll and we can segment that ratings. So I want to do that, but I just logged out for today and then I just stepped into recording videos. I really didn't had enough time, and the festive season is coming up and I'm having a lot of work to do. So I'm really sorry about that, but I will be doing that in my next month video which I'm going to do. So after Diwali and all I'm talking about. Okay, with that said, let's do a roll test on this one. Wow, that rolls really nice, surprisingly nice. Maybe that's because of all the weight on this, but that is really nice, compared to all the main lines with a little bit of uh, weight on the back. This one rolls really nice without any wheel wobble as well. So if you see this casting in your area, and if you are thinking whether to buy this or not, honestly go ahead and buy it, because it does look really cool. Only thing I'm still not sure about is whether you can remove this from this one or not, because sometimes I just want to keep it separate, no, to save the space, like parallel instead of keeping it like this, because I don't have that much of boxes to keep it in this way itself. So overall, it's a nice casting, and the build quality is really nice, specifically for the Volvo here. And so this one is good. I'm not going to complain much here, because I know it is not made of fully metal and all, but still the detailing is really nice. At least they could have went with some kind of actual acrylics here for the windows. So okay, so there are no tail light details here, if you guys are wondering. Here also there is nothing. So that's it. Yeah. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.